What teacher said?
If anybody finish their work early, they either give extra work or they can kepala atas meja. Like in quite an angry voice.
So this is our quick lunch. Good, Ashta. You sharing with Mandan? Thank you. Tadi kami sudah makan lunch. Sekarang kami dalam zoo sudah. Ya? The black color right in front of me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, gorilla.
No, it's mother.
See, Ashta.
Friend is the
Gorilla.
See? Siamang.
Hello. 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 Gerak ya?
Hello.
Lola. Iya, dia kencing. Berak.
Gerak lah.
Kami cepat-cepat mau pergi tengok show. Ada orang kencing lagi.
Oh, ayo cucu Asya.
Otters. Lama tidak datang, banyak baru sudah. Ini dulu tiada ini. Seingat saya lah. Come, Madan.
Look at the flies.
B, Madan. It's B. I think in front there lah tempat dia say. Pelican.
Flamingo. Stork.
Pelicans.
Pelican. Bobo.
No, it's later it's feeding time.
Oh my god!
Tadi Ashta pergi.
Oh my God.
Tak lucu ni semua ni.
Oh my god! Oh my
Oh
god!
my god.
Oh my god!
Saya ambil tisu mau lap dia punya
Oh
bam-bam.
my god!
Mami, I'm not cucu, I kakak, dia bilang.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, Ashta! Oh my god, Ashta! Ah, what is that? Ah, that parrot! Already for the show. Ashta bisa jelas. Ada dua monyet.
Asya bisa kakak.
Ah, kecil.
Asya bisa kakak.
Panas.
Yeah. See? Oh, there? Okay, now. Oh,
Dia halau saya.
Big
dia halau
monitor.
saya. Panas dia bilang.
there's a big monitor lizard. See what is coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for your own safety, please remain seated as we will be having animals coming from all over the amphitheater. Once again, please remain seated as we will be having animals coming from all over the amphitheater. The show will begin shortly. Thank you.
Moment they say face sister ni. Oh, big.
Alright, now welcome to the Shaw Foundation Every Kids as well as the Rainforest Spotlight Show. My name is Hazik and this show is proudly brought to you by Captain. Alright, now before we start the show, I've got a couple of things to say, okay? Endangered as well. First up, we're gonna travel all the way to Central and South America, home to a couple of furry friends on stage. We're gonna have two of the brothers and they are second, Guatimandi. Alright, now there is two more over there. Passions will be joining us in just a few short moments, and the two boys will be showing us how easy it is for them to forage about. Alright, I want you guys to focus on two things, or two features that enables these boys to be excellent foragers. First up, you've got long snouts. Now these snouts, they're extremely flexible. They can actually bend in any direction, much like an elephant's trunk. And also, long sharp claws. Now these claws, they enable the Guatimandi to climb up and down trees in search for their food. Now they are omnivores, which means that their diet consists of tubers, fruits and vegetables that they can find on the floor and also in the treetops. And the occasional bird's eggs as well as reptiles and amphibians. Alright, now we're gonna, two boys that's gonna be joining us, gonna be a little bit more familiar to you guys. They are black, they are white, and hopefully, you guys will know them through this song. Yeah, we like to move it, everything. Welcome our first. In just a few short moments, yeah, that's right. Okay, now Bibi is one of our boys joining us for the show today. Alright, now just FYI, throughout the entire show, there will be a couple of training sessions. So you guys can get to see how our trainers use their tools and techniques to help the animals participate in shows like you're about to see. Alright? Now, being social animals, ringtail lemurs, they have this adaptation before them, social adaptation. Right there. Now this is actually one of the social adaptations of the ringtail lemurs to help them look out for one another in the troop. Alright, that's right. Jumping behaviors, okay? Agility behaviors on stage as well as over there by the railings, okay? I want you to actually focus your attention on that they've done something correct and should expect for themselves a full reward. That's right. Okay, up on stage, we are gonna do some vertical jumps, whereas Bibi over there is gonna do some horizontal jumps, okay? I need the crowd to actually give the animals a little bit of a bigger berth, okay? In case that they're gonna, we don't know what's gonna expected for them. Okay, let's see. Yeah! Press down, very nice. Here you go, to reward. Very nice, okay? Try your banana. At the end of the stick, and we can then choose to use the stick as a like a pointer, okay? To guide the animals from places to places where the trainers cannot normally reach, alright? Alright, now we are gonna focus our attention to the two boys over here. They're gonna do something we call sting fighting, okay? When male ringtail lemurs, when they get into a disagreement, what's gonna happen is they can do something we call sting fighting, which is they're gonna use their scent glands located at the wrist, as well as the upper chest. Now the cotton top tamarind is simply because of the hair, their white hair that is on their head. It looks like a ball of cotton, okay? Now these boys, they're actually one of the endangered species that we have here in the show. And the reason why they're endangered is simply because 3/4 of their habitat is destroyed by deforestation, and I'm talking about the Amazon forest right now. The both of them, they are native to the country that we call Colombia, that's right. Okay, now when you look at them, their size, you might think that they are small because, you might think that they are young because of their size, they are small. But I'm here to tell you guys that they are actually full-grown adult males. They are actually 7 years old this year, and they weigh about 500 grams, alright? So probably your bag of sugar at home is much heavier than these two boys combined. And we're gonna focus our attention closer, which is to the skies of Singapore. We're gonna look out for a medium-sized bird with black and white feathers and an iconic yellow beak. Alright, can you see him? Is he out? Is he out? Oh, I think he's out. There he is. He's Chica, and he is our Oriental Pied Hornbill. Okay, Oriental Pied Hornbills, they are native to the Singaporean waters as well as the neighboring. 1, 2, 3. With me, I'm going to toss it a little bit more higher. It's going to be flying from that line. 1, 8, cheating. I haven't shown yet. I haven't shown yet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and go. Good job, Chica. Yes or no? No? Okay, good. Because you're not supposed to be finding any snakes underneath your seat. If you happen to find one, they'll be one of the wild ones. And my advice to you is to run. Okay, I'm just one person over here. I cannot help you. Okay. Now, focus your attention to the snake that I have in my palm over here. This is Gummy, and Gummy is our milk snake. Okay. Now, he's gorgeous. Look at his coloration over here. Now, this coloration is actually a form of mimicry. It's a form of adaptation to actually help him to look like another snake, and that snake being the coral snake. That's right. Now, coral snakes, they are very famous for being venomous snakes. While these guys over here, they are non-venomous, and they are sort of adapted to look this way to actually confuse the predators, so that they can actually, you know, when the predators find them, they think that it's a coral snake instead, so there's less opportunity to get eaten. That's right. Now, there's a little rhyme that the locals of the American region actually came about to actually help us to identify milk snakes against coral snakes. Now the rhyme goes like this: red against black, friend Jack; red against yellow, kill a fellow. So if you see the snake like this, and you see the black and red bands touching each other like this, you can assume that they are the non-venomous species. While if you see the red and the yellow bands touching together, as you can see, they're not touching. The red and the yellow, they're not touching. And you can then assume that they are the coral snakes, okay? The more venomous species, right? Now, we're going to straighten out some misconceptions about snakes in general. When you look at, not the snake, when you look at, wait, I forgot his name. You look at Gummy over here, you might think that he is wet because of the reflection that is emitting off of his scales. Alright, I'm here to tell you guys that he is actually smooth and dry. Now, a good gauge of how smooth he feels like it is if you arrange your fingernails like this. You take your fingertip and then you run your fingertip across your fingernails like that. That is exactly how smooth any different snake can actually feel like. Their individual scales, they are made up of keratin, the same substance as our nails and our hair. Alright, now the second misconception that we're going to touch upon for today is that most people, when they find snakes out in the wild, they're going to assume that they're going to be venomous creatures. But I'm going to tell you guys that almost 90% of all of the snakes that you can find out in the wild, they are non-venomous, which means that they are constrictors. And what constrictors do to get their food is that they will whip them, they will strike, they will coil, they will squeeze them to death and swallow them whole. And that over there is Marshall. Now Marshall is our greater hawk badger, and he is native to the northern part of Thailand, all the way up to China. Okay, now he's an extremely rare species, and this is actually a great photographic opportunity for you guys because it's very rare for greater hawk badgers, this species, to be showcased in broad daylight like this. And in fact, the Rainforest Festival show is the only show in the world known to give you guys a good view of the greater hawk badgers in this manner. Then in just less than 30 short years, all of the rainforests throughout the world, what is going to happen to them is that they are going to vanish forever. Now what this means is that our future generation, our children, as well as maybe even their grandchildren, will not be able to witness what you guys have just seen today. Now mankind, we may be the planet's biggest threat, but we are also his only hope. So how about we give our voices to these voiceless creatures, and hopefully we're gonna bring the rainforest back. Alright, on behalf of all of us here at the Rainforest Flashback Show, from the top, as well as the crew that made this show possible, thank you for joining us on the second Rainforest Show of the day, proudly brought to you by Capitaland. Take care, stay safe, and most importantly everybody, have fun at the Rainforest Zoo. Bye-bye.
Just jalan lah.
Oh, we can take it.